Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you here how to make a quick meal in 12 minutes. Time is a barrier to eating healthy, and I hear far too many people using it. It's about breaking down that barrier and having quick go-to meals. So here I basically have a egg white and eat lean cheese frittata. Egg white, kind of cooked eggs, scrambled eggs, however you want to kind of explain it, but they were cooked in the microwave. I've got frozen veg, so here some carrot and sweet mash with some chopped courgettes. I'm using some Heinz beans as a bit of a topper, and I'm using a flatbread, which you've just seen me put into the oven to grill. Basically here what I've done is I've aimed for about 150 calories worth of carbohydrates. The rest is basically made up of protein with lean cheese or kind of low-fat cheese and egg whites, and I've made sure that I've got a good portion of vegetables. So this was basically cooked in the microwave and the oven, but you could have easily just grilled your flatbread in the toaster as well, or just eaten it as a bread as opposed to being toasted at all. So here you go, final product, all cooked within 12 minutes. And this could have been a lunch, a dinner, a breakfast, whatever. So keep it simple, guys. Pair your veggies with a protein source and a reasonable amount of carbohydrates depending on your goal.